let's begin. Drag some blocks and jump right in. Make a sprite go left and right. Bring your ideas all to life. No typing lines, just stack and play. Build your world your own cool way. Code it in Scratch, make it move. Create a game, get in the groove. Animate, design, remix. You can build anything with this. Add some sounds, make music too. Change the color, skies are blue. If you dream it, you can make. Every click a step you take. Code it in Scratch, make it move. Create a game, get in the groove. Animate, design, remix. You can build anything with this. From simple loops to big ideas, turn your thoughts to something real. Share your project, watch it grow. Show the world what you can code. Code it in Scratch, make it shine. Every project truly mine. From beginner to pro, like that, it all starts here. It's Click the green flag, let's begin. Drag some blocks